destroy my world!
What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me Iman, and today I'll be showing you how to draw Gohan Super Saiyan 2, and this is gonna be a tutorial, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. So of course the square box you see is of 4 centimeters, each side is 4 centimeters, where I will draw Teen Gohan Super Saiyan 2 face. So let's go everybody, I don't want you guys to wait anymore. So guys, at first I will start by drawing the wrinkles between the eyes, which is of W shape. Then I will start by drawing the right side eyebrow, only half, and then I will do the same for the left side, and then I will complete both of the eyebrows. So guys, once it's complete, I will start by drawing the shape of the eye. Then I will place the pupil slightly to the left side, and then I will do the same for the left side. Drawing the pupil. Once it's done, we can start by, of course, drawing the wrinkles. Of course, yeah. Then I will start by drawing the nose. Now I will start by drawing the mouth, then the shape of the face, and I will do the same for the right side. Oh no, it looks so fat, as I have to draw Teen Gohan. It should be a bit smaller. Yeah, just like that. Good. Follow my steps to learn more quickly. Now again the wrinkles. Details of the cheek, and now I will start by drawing Gohan's long ears, and then I will do the same for the left side, and then I will add some details of the ears and do the same for the right ear. Great. Once it looks good, I will start by drawing his forehead, adjusting the mouth. Then I will draw a spike which starts from the middle of the Gohan's forehead. So it starts from, of course, the middle from here, and it goes a long way down, just like that. Then I will give it some shape, drawing his neck, one spike of his hair and another, and I will do the same for the left side, and then I will use a guideline to help me keep the right proportions. Then I will draw the rest of the spikes. It just matters for you guys to remember or use a reference, of course, if you don't remember, as you are using mine. Then draw other spikes, of course, like that. Then I will start to draw some random lines just to give it some details and make it look like they are hairs. And later on I will draw the shirt and his muscles. And now I will add some cuts to his shirt, and I will also add some creases. And now I will do the same at the right side. At first I will use a guideline to help me keep the right proportions, and I will do the same at the right side. And now I will be drawing his chest muscles. Now I'll be drawing his left arm. First I will draw a guideline to help me keep the right proportions, and then I will add muscles. And I will do the same for the right arm. Now I will be drawing his belt. So guys, now I will add some dots and cuts to Gohan, and I want him to look as he's damaged or something like that. Yeah, you can add it anywhere you want to. So guys, once I'm done, I will start inking the drawing. So for that I will be using Copic multiliner 0.1 to ink. So guys, now I will start by coloring the hairs, and for that I will use 3 tones. First is light, and second is a mid, and third is a dark. So first I will show you how to color one spike, and I will do the same for the rest of the one. So as I said, I will first use the lightest yellow color and color the hair, and I will also leave some blank areas where I want the light to fall on. So like that we can get more reflection, or you can say reflective hairs. Yeah. As you can see, I have left a white spot at the right side, as I want the light to come from the top left, no, top right side. Yeah. Now I will use the mid-tone, then the blending. Now the darkest tone. Awesome, it looks very great, and I will do the same for the rest of the hairs. I will be using 3 tones to give more depth to the character. And guys, once we are done, we can start coloring the eyes. So for that I will use the same yellow color, and I will use 2 green tones for the pupil. And I will also leave some blank areas near the pupil. And now we can start coloring his shirt, and for that I will use 2 purple tones. First will be the light and second the dark. And guys, then I will color the entire area by using the light color purple, and later on I will use the second dark color and give some depth to the character. And then I will add one more layer of the same color so that those lines are not visible. And guys, now I will use the second tone purple. And now we can start coloring the belt. For that I will use a sky blue tone. And after that I will start coloring the skin. So I will first start by coloring the face, and I will use one color pencil to color the skin, and I will apply one more layer to make it more darker and create some shading. And I will also leave some blank areas. Applying one more layer of the same color pencil to create some shading. And now I will start coloring the chest, and I will do the same for the chest, both of the arms, doing some shading. And now I will start coloring the left arm, and I will do the same for the right arm. And now we have to make the aura, and for that I will use one yellow color pencil and draw some type of flames around it, just like that. And I will apply one more layer on it so that it looks more better and the volume gets increased. And of course I will be doing the same at the right side. Now the last and the final step, I will use the soft pastels to complete the aura. So these are soft pastels, they can be spread by just a finger, so I will apply it around the aura, and later on with my finger I will try to spread it. Yeah, like that. Adding more. If you don't have these, you can simply use the color pencil and color the entire area just near Gohan's body, leave some blank areas. But like that it would take more time, so that's why I'm using soft pastels. And I will be doing the same at the right side. And guys, this is how you can draw Gohan Super Saiyan 2. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then be sure to drop a like, subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every weekend and even sometimes more earlier. So I have already uploaded it on my YouTube channel, this tutorial, but not exactly, it was different, and I had uploaded it a long time ago and it wasn't so good, the video quality wasn't so good, the drawing too. And now I have improved, and that video link is down below in the description box. You can check it out and see how I've improved. So guys, keep me supporting, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.